Welcome to AdSigner email signature solution. Today we will create your first email signature. Let's get started. Entering full name, job title, email address, perfect, phone number if relevant, enter mobile phone number. Basically the information that you don't enter in your email signature won't appear, which is very handy. Entering company information, website, uploading logo, we'll choose this one, perfect. Fine print, very important. And here we go to the icon styles. You can play with different icon styles. Social icons that you don't enter the link to it won't appear in your email signatures, so just make sure that you select the right social icon which is relevant for your company. I'll go with this style, and we can customize the color as well to be in line with your corporate guidelines. Same goes with the color scheme. And the last one would be uploading banner. We can do that at this first step as well. Perfect. We can change the layout and see how our email signature would look like using different email signature designs. I think this one looks just perfect. If you're happy with your email signature, you can generate it. As you can see, it's super easy to get started and create your first email signature.